NAFTA does? That's an important question. There are 4 things that NAFTA allows individuals to do. The first is NAFTA allows or facilitates temporary entry for business persons who are citizens of the US, Mexico, and Canada, and who are involved in trades of goods, services, or in investment activities. Meaning the NAFTA agreement is between US, Mexico, and Canada, and it allows for trades, and usually this applies in an immigration context, for individuals, depending on the position that's being offered, to come to Canada and provide those services. Now, there are ways of also exempting you from actually applying for work permit, which is also another benefit under the NAFTA agreement. The second thing is the NAFTA removes the need to apply for a labor market opinion, or now known as a labor market impact assessment, for all business persons covered under the agreement. So if you qualify under the NAFTA agreement, and you are obviously a citizen of Mexico or the United States, you do not require to apply for an LMO or labor market impact assessment, LMIA, when you have a job offer. And that's really essential because it reduces the processing times completely. You can essentially make this application at the port of entry for same-day processing. Also, in case of business visitors, you don't require any documentation for that. However, our advice there would be to prove that you are a bona fide, genuine business visitor and that you're not going to be entering the labor market of Canada, so the officer is not in suspect that you may require an actual work permit. So that's really the third benefit of a NAFTA, being an individual that is covered under the NAFTA agreement. And the last, which essentially goes back to my second point, is professionals. This is for professionals as well as intra-company transferees. It expedites applications. They can be processed at a port of entry. Also, for Mexicans, though, you could apply for an inter-company transferee or whatever type of work permit under professionals as professionals, but because you are Mexican, you will require a TRV, a temporary resident visa, to enter. However, as an American, you do not. So Mexicans, you still would have to file the application at the consulate, versus Americans, you can apply straight away at the port of entry same day. So these are the real 4 main benefits, or what NAFTA really covers. If you qualify under the NAFTA agreement and you have a job offer, you would like us to review it to advise you if you should apply under the business visitor category, the investor category, the inter-company transferee category, we'd be more than happy to assess it and let you know accordingly. Call us or email us at any time. We're here to help you. Thank you, and until next time.